Doug McCon of RealityMe.net here, continuing our weekend project on door repair. This is the next one. This is our front door. It's was installed brand new not long ago, but the dogs have done some damage to the seal here. We're going to have to get that repaired. The molding's cracked a little bit here, partly in because the latch isn't, this is set too far towards the inside of the house, so we have to expand this out some. And with these older houses, sometimes they as the seasons change, this wood expands or contracts or whatnot. Right now, this latch needs to be moved back some. So we're going to have to fill these holes. We're going to have to expand that hole. We'll use a chisel. Come in and remove some extra wood. I'm going to come back about this far, I think. Remove just oops. I'm really not thrilled with the depth of this, but it's been working, so I'm going to leave it the same. Although this is a great opportunity to set that plate back just a little bit further. Which we may do. I mean, you could come up here and take off another layer of the wood if you wanted to while you're doing this. Come in and just shave a little bit, and that'll allow that plate to go back ever so slightly deeper. But that's not where our problem is. Our problem is actually here. So effectively, I want to take this chisel and I want to remove, we can see where the latch is rubbing, so I'm going to come in and open this up 1/16 or 2, or just by taking the chisel. And I could do this with a drill, but I think this will be just as effective. We'll use a smaller chisel right here. This is a hardwood. I may actually need to pull the drill out for this one. But I don't think so. I think we can get it. So we'll just remove that right there. There. That should do the trick. Now we'll allow this plate to be set back closer to the frame, and but these holes aren't going to work, so we're going to have to plug these holes, just like we did on the interior door. So the next step, we've already drilled those holes out. We've cut a couple of plugs. We can't pour the wood into them. Forgot to flatten them. They're fairly flat. So take a little glue on the plug itself. Get it all the way around. We'll stick it in the hole right there. Take our hammer. Get that right there. Take the next plug, same thing, get glue on it. You can buy these plugs fluted, which would probably be better for this because they would hold more of the glue. I'm sure I'm just wiping a lot of it off right here. So put that plug in there, use your hammer, get as flat as you can. Use a punch if you need to. Whoops. Went a little too far with that, but that doesn't really matter because you're still going to be drilling. Teeth of your screw is going to catch most of that material. And that's it for now.